Become okay for women to classify themselves as bitch. Better yet, when did it become a term of endearment? Because I got a chick that loves me that's the best I ever had, and you must be Ludacris, you don't think that my bitch bad. Because I gotta have me a independent bad bitch who does cooking and cleaning and cooking. She be constantly dusting and cleaning her brain of all the sense she's obtained throughout these years. But you know what? As long as my bitches love me, I give a damn about a generation listening to the lyrics of Lil Wayne and pleasant to be one of every girl in Wayne's world. From pink curls to barrettes, this handicapped generation believes that being a bad bitch is the epitome of what a woman should be. Coincidentally, bands will make her dance and she will holler for $1 just to get a swallow to quench her thirst. And to make it worse, she would rather hit the club and dance like a stripper and get a round of applause for making that ass clap. But bad bitches don't want you calling them bitch, but they sure as hell do love Sosa. And 95% of them refer to themselves as bitch even when this poem is over. But as long as my bitches love me, you give me no reason to respect you. See, Rick Ross is giving you aspirations like a bag of money, but I guess it must be hard to like a bag of something you don't have, so half you walk around just looking like the bag. Then you're on Instagram straight flexing, ass naked, begging for 100 likes on your pics. And there's no reason for any man to think anything more of you than you being a bad bitch. Until my niece looks me in the eye and says she wants to be a bad bitch when she grows up. At that point, what in the hell am I supposed to do? Do I point the finger at Lil Wavy or do I point it at you? Who has made her believe that being a bad bitch makes her a quality woman? What the hell am I supposed to say when the best advice she's ever had was her understanding of the good and my bitch bad? But as long as my bitches love me, I shouldn't give a damn, right? No, you dead ass wrong. Because the moment she's convinced that being a bad bitch is anything more than a hot song is the moment I go in on anybody who has had the audacity to call her a bitch. So when you tell me niggas ain't shit, I guarantee you one reason is because there's too many feeble-minded women out here posing as bad bitches. So when the bad bitch contest, you might be in first place, which is the worst place because you're a bad bitch in the first place. And being in first place is the worst case because the only thing worse than being a bad bitch is being the one in first place. And some of you out here getting mad and it's sad because you were all for when Ludacris said, my bitch bad. But when somebody starts to speak real to you, it's surreal to you and you expect me to feel for you. But you know what? I'll pass. I don't need you or Ludacris telling me that my bitch bad. I need a woman by my side, one who carries herself with class. Not one still reliving miserable days hollering about watch yourself and shake your ass. And you must be on some good cushion alcohol if you told the girl he loves me when your man looked at you and he said, as long as my bitches love me. And I didn't write this for me. I wrote this for all you bad bitches who want respect. But if you call yourself a bad bitch, what more could you expect? And if any of you got offended, you can go ahead now and turn down your mad switch because as long as my bitches love me, I know you'll always refer to yourself as bad bitch.